Good morning, good morning. This is our day 3 here in Armenia, and this is gonna be our second trip here in Armenia. Still with me, Ate Marie.
Good morning, hi. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
How are you feeling today?
Excited.
Excited. Yes, we're gonna have a half-day tour here in Armenia. So, halika na. Tara na ba?
Gora na. Let's go na.
Gora na. Ayan. Sige.
Front seat tayo ulit.
Ha? Front seat ulit tayo, ha? Okay. See you! Magandang umaga ulit. Nandito na kami sa aming waiting area dito sa May Armenia with your service. Hello, ate.
Hello, Ben.
Hello. So, ang ating tour ngayon is gonna be a Garni Temple, Symphony of Stones, Gerhard Monastery, and then we're gonna have also Lavash Baking Masterclass. So, expect natin, ang tour natin will be around 5 to 6 hours siya. So, it's just like a half-day lang tour ngayon dito sa Armenia. So, very short lang. Di ba, te? Short. And then, plano natin this afternoon, tignan natin kung ano yung magiging itinerary natin.
Depende sa ano?
Sa mood? Hindi. Depende sa ating kalakasan pa. Kalakasan ng mga tuhod. Ano pa? Ng mga kasukasuhan. Yan.
We have expression also like body Louis, body orange, body yellow, that is good morning, good afternoon, good evening. But when we see each other, usually we say baret, which means good sun.
Na-challenge na naman ako doon. On the way to Garni, not far from the village of Borchtabert, there is a remarkable ark. You would probably miss the ark unless you know what is hidden behind it. Architect Raphael Israelian dedicated the monument to the famous Armenian poet Yegeshi Charents, who loved and admired the beauty of Mount Ararat. The place was chosen accurately from the ark. You will have the best view of Mount Ararat. The Ark of Charents was one of the favorite places of the poet. He used to spend time here in search of inspiration. A double arch of stone stands on the top of a hill. As soon as you step in the ark, you will see the majestic mountain and amazing landscape. The words from the poet of Charents are engraved on the ark. Ayan na yung Mount Ararat. Sino may kuha ko sa'yo?
Okay lang.
Anong okay lang? Perfect!
The vacation holidays. So we have a few rivers in this region, deep gorges. Even we have flower meadows. So we have, for example, a city which is called Tarkadze. And it looks very interesting and very nice because it reflects color, so the site is very beautiful.
Artificial duck lang. Dito titira ka, 1 year. Ay, walang kuryente.
Sabi nga niya, maganda. Alam mo yung naklak ko.
Bagyo? Bagyo?
Pero maganda din yung siya naman. Hindi mo para.
We're entering the Garni Temple. Here's our ticket. Dito na tayo maghintay. Ayan na. Mainit.
Here we have an interesting, we can say, passport of Garni Temple. This stone, it was found in 1975 in the cemetery in this village. What was the most interesting part of this stone? It was the cross, of course, because this is one of the first cross stones in Armenia. But the most interesting part is the inscription in ancient Greek. So it is written that Helios, King Helios Tiridates, king of Great Armenia, he rebuilt Garni fortress and the temple in.
Google Translation.
Basahin mo raw siya.
Ayun ba mo? May translation ba?
Like he talked about it, the way he talked about growing up. Yeah, like.
Ano siya? Si Garni Temple. The Garni Temple is a classical colonnaded structure in the village of Garni in central of Armenia, around 30 kilometers east of Yerevan. Built in the Ionic order, it is the best-known structure and symbol of pre-Christian Armenia. It has been described as the easternmost building of the Greco-Roman world and the only largely preserved Hellenistic building in the former Soviet Union.
As I told, the temple was devoted to god of sun, Mitra. So how we know? There wasn't found an inscription where it is written that it was devoted to Mitra. But just I want to pay your attention. On the cornice you can see heads of lion. So this was symbol of Mitra. So that's why our historians, they are sure that it was devoted to Mitra. And as you can see, this temple is of Greco-Roman style, but we say also Greco-Roman Armenian. Why? We know that Roman craftsmen came to
The entire colonnade collapsed during a devastating earthquake on June 4, 1679, with the epicenter in the Garni Gorge. It split diagonally and fell toward the northeast, with architectonic materials falling as far as 50 meters. The collapse is attested by the contemporary chronicler Zakaria Kanakarsky. It had survived for more than 16 centuries, most probably because of its massive construction relative to its small size and its substantial podium acting as a firm foundation. It was, however, weakened decades earlier during the wars of Shah Abbas, when iron clamps and lead fittings were removed to cast bullets. In 1949, the Armenian Academy of Sciences began systematic excavations of the Garni fortress led by Babkin Ararkelian, with Alexander Sahinian focusing on the temple itself. It was one of the flagship expeditions of Armenia's archaeological community in the post-war period. The structure was rebuilt using its original stones and a technique known as anastylosis. Kung sa ating mga Pinoy, rice is life. Dito sa Armenia, bread is life. Lavash is one of the most popular gastronomic icons of Armenia, serving as an integral part of the Armenian cuisine. It is traditional soft, thin flat bread made in tonir. Although the baking process of lavash requires much of special skills, it is undertaken by women. For centuries, lavash has been consumed by all classes of Armenian society. It is valued for the unique taste and the ability to be stored for quite a long period of time without losing its positive qualities. In 2014, the preparation, meaning, and appearance of traditional bread lavash as an expression of Armenian culture was inscribed in the UNESCO representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity.
Several months in a dry place, in dry condition, and it doesn't lose its qualities. You just sprinkle water, close it with towel, and after 2 or 3 minutes it is ready. It is like newly freshly baked lavash. So that's why, dear friends, in the villages, when household decides to bake lavash, they don't bake for 20 or 50 pieces. They bake for hundreds in order to keep it for months. And all family members come together in order to help each other to bake lavash, because they begin from early.
Guys, we're here. Hi guys. Welcome to Symphony of Garden Stones. We're gonna go here, there. Let's go. Mapapalaban na naman ang puso ko neto.
Yung paakyat. Pero maganda exercise. Baka sobra yan, mga tatlo-tatlo.
Ay, ang ganda.
Maganda naman.
Wow. Ay, Batadan. Batadan, alam mo na. Mahal mo siya. Wow. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo may water eh. Apakaganda. It's all natural. Hindi to hindi to gawa-gawa.
Kasi sanay lang kami sa hindi gawa.
Oh, siya.
Bang pa naman ko ng pag-ganun ba? Ganun ba?
Symphony of Stones, or basalt organ, is one of the most famous and impressive natural monuments of Armenia. It is located in Garni, Georgia, on the right bank of Azad River. The monument is made out of thousands of columnar basalt stock together up to 50 meters high. In its appearance, it resembles an organ musical instrument and therefore received the official name basalt organ. However, it is better known as Symphony of Stones. The huge rock must have a volcanic origin and was formed as a result of powerful lava. 127,000 years ago, there was a powerful volcanic eruption in the Gama Mountains, and lava flowed to this area. Due to slow cooling, the lower parts of the lava flows took the form of pentahedral and hexagonal columns. The unknown cave nature monument is located in close proximity to the Symphony of Stones, and the opposite on the left bank of the Azad River, the Khosrow Forest State Reserve begins. The banks of the river are connected by the medieval bridge of Garni. Oh, saan di mo kumakanta? Grabe oh. Batis. Batis ng Armenia. Grabe to. Meron na to sa Palawan.
Oo, pero sa river. Ganyan sa Palawan, no?
Oo. Masarap te. Oo. Ano?
Siyempre, hugasan mo muna yung kamay mo bago kang uminom. Damn, so refreshing. Sarap paghilamos, no? Sarap. Oh, di ba? Ano ng mga rocks ni Adam. Naghihintay po kami ng taxi.
Saan ka?
Naghihintay po kami ng taxi. Nandito kami sa in-between rocks. Where is social rock?
Dito na kami. Ayan na siya.
Ayan.
Ayan na. Kasakay na sa service. Ayan. Iikot na. Ay. O, diba? O.
May bird po kami na lalaki.
Yan. Sila, o. Okay, we're done. Here in SAS. Ito yung pinakasikat na restaurant nila dito. Saan maraming ang mabibili. Yan. Siyempre, ito naman kami. Shawarma.
Mahal pa na rin yung Austrian sausage. May ganyan na ako sa bahay. Doon yung ano, yung kamago. Ito dito po. Dito siya.
Pork shawarma. Parang
Ano
sarap
sa'yo?
ng
Gusto
ano
nga
ko.
ano nga barbecue rib steak ang gusto mo? Barbecue rib steak.
bread sila dito. Yummy. Ang dami. May chicken. May burger. Yan. Siyempre, dun tayo sa original nating kakainin. Diba? May shawarma pa ako dun sa bahay. Pero, parang pili ko, gusto ko naman iba. Lipstick. Parang maliit yung lipstick. Hindi pa eh. Nakaisip pa ako na makakainin ko. Sige, ihikan mo na.
Diba? Pork steak.
Hello ate, hi!
Pork steak.
Vlog-vlogan. Okay, dito tayo sa main park. So yun guys, may nakilala tayo. Sila. Ano?
Jai at saka Ricardo.
Si Ricardo tsaka si?
Jai.
Jai! Hi Jai! Ito.
Lalakad kami dito sa park.
Sa park, malapit sa pinakainan natin. So, hope to see you here. Ay, hope to see you here. Hope to see you in Dubai. Na?
Yes.
So, yan.
See you in Dubai.
See you in Dubai. Yeah. So, lakad-lakad lang muna kami dito.
Lalo sa yung aming kinain na pork steak.
Nice meeting you. Nice ano ba? Nice having the excursion with you. Eating with you. Up to the last minute, di ba? Ingat kayo dyan sa Qatar. Habang ang madam ninyo. Ayan o. Ano yung nahuhulog? Ah. Kaya pa. Para ito yung kailangan ko. Fresh air. Di ba, te? Fresh air. Maambon na. Sino? Si Tapak. Ay, alam mo yun, ma'am? Alam mo nalaman yun, ma'am? Si Tapak. Ah, nakikinig ka. So, nandito tayo sa may park nila. Ano tawag sa park na to? This is Yerban Kolshar St. Yerban. Ayan. Lakad-lakad lang.
Yes. Sandal ba?
Kanan tayo dyan, ma'am. Yan. Okay.
Ano yung painin?
Yung bus stop nila.
Yan siya. Yung binili ko ba?
Oo.
Oo, yun pala yun.
Yun yun.
Sabi mo nga bang?
Ano ba yun?
Ayan naman yun.
Hindi pa ano.
Hinog na yan. Ayan, purple. Tsaka red.
Hindi ko abot. Ma'am, ano to? Dito to ba?
Dito Dubai, ma'am. Pwede mag-sorry dito. Sa Dubai may fine.
Sige na. Halika na. Pinatitingin na tayo.
Ay, gusto ko nga. Pwede nga, ate-ate.
Ano ba? Hawakan mo.
Abot mo. Ma'am, sa Dubai walang may fine. Dito sorry lang.
Diba? Anong lasa? Ha?
Lasang ano, tingnan nila ko. Ang kapal ng tingnan nila sa akin.
Ay, sino ba?
Ano ba?
Parang bababa tayo.
Bababa tayo.
Yes. Kaliwa.
Bakit ko po yan?
Dito kami sa may tunnel, pedestrian tunnel ng Armenia. Yeah. Para siyang ano, sa may Maynila, ganyan din sila. May mga stores din sila dito. Ayan. So, mga klase silang mga balisong, keme. Ah, susi. Ay, napapalaban naman ang puso ko. Oh, kanan. Ate. Liwa. Guys! Tapos na ang aming tour today. So, see you again tomorrow for another tour. O nga pala, itutur ko din kayo sa aming apartment hotel. Sa last video ko, itutur ko kayo sa aming apartment kung saan kami nag-stay dito ng 5 araw sa Armenia. Lahat ng detalye ibibigay ko sa inyo para hindi kayo ma-scam. Pero, I will tell you the whole story kung ano man yun. Kaya ingat-ingat lang dito. See you again. Guys, we're here in the Cantron. Yan, namili kami ng mga souvenir. Yan, nabili
Really
niya
nice.
here.
It's really nice. There's a lot more.
There's a lot more here. Ayan siya.
These are all for the
See?
So there's a lot more. I love Armenia. The weather is so nice.
So they're so nice. So we're just here sitting around the Cantron Street kung saan maraming mga utaw. Ang daming utaw, ang daming merlat, ang daming otoko. Ayan. Andyan sila. Andyan sila. Pwede sila maging artista.
Dito sila sa Pilipinas.
Yes. So what else do you have, ate?
Yes.
We have
The all-purpose.
multi-purpose. Multi-purpose.
Good. there's a heart and a can opener
Yes.
at the same time. Look, it's really nice.
It's really nice. See?
It's really nice. Diba? Para sa barangay.
Para sa barangay ng kanyang departamento.
Oh. So this one pa, it's nice. So colorful. Para sa barangay.
Para sa barangay insurance niya binili.
See? Really nice.
Yan.
Really nice.
Ano pa?
This one.
Ay, meron na. Pakita mo na yun. Ang sarap tumambay dito. Ayan.
The churches. Look at the churches. We went all to that monastery. Like,
Saan kami pumunta at hinamon ng aking puso, challenge ng aking paglalakad.
there are all the monasteries.
Yan. At what else pa?
What else? Of course, I showed you already the mall. Other one I cannot show because it's already
Para sa kanya yun.
It's a glass for myself.
It's a glass.
For
So,
myself.
tinakpal, ayun na, binalot na ng piece of paper. Okay? Ayan, dito muna kami sa entrance lift. Umpo. Upo muna kami dito. O, diba? Ay! Alam mo na. Kung sino yung aalagaan ko forever. O gusto maging balita ka na lang. Oo.
Alam mo na.
Kung ano na lang, kung ano magbalita ka na lang. Mamili ka.
Alam mo na.
Alam mo na.
Alam mo na.
Oo.
Ba't
Mamili ka. Maging balita ka na lang.
ba't ano mo pag sa gilid mo? Sa gilid mo?
Oo.
Oh, yeah. Gusto mo.
Maging balita ka na lang mamaya. Pag napagod ka, pwede kang umupo. Ang daming upuan. Ayan guys,
Park kasi siya.
Kaya nga, so it's so nice. Napaka-friendly ng park na to. Kasi, pagod ka, ang daming mga upuan. Ayan siya. Ay! Ayan, oh. Hala, ano gusto mo? Maging balita ka na lang.
Galing na tayo dito. Naalala ko yung office.
Kaya nga, galing na tayo dito. Yan, guys, ang lamig-lamig ng panahon. Sarap maglakad. Diba?
Things very nicely also. Ang daming bulaklak yung mga roses.
Kaya nga, pag ano, hindi mo makikita yan pag nag-yellow dito.
Oo. Hindi niya nirecommend na magpumunta dito ng ano ba? Ng
Nag-yellow.
taglamig na nag-yellow. Mahirap daw, napakahirap sabi niya. Sabi
Oo.
niya sa akin, napakahirap, it's so difficult, sabi niya. Paglalabas ka daw sa bahay mo, it's so cold, sabi niya, ang ganun ba?
Oo.
Wala daw masyadong turista pagkataglamig.
Oo. Ano yun, te?
Ano?
Dito pa sa gilid.
Tapos yung
Oh, tinuman ako na. Kaya pa. We're crossing the streets here in Yerevan. Tapos doon na tayo sa tabi na tayo. Tabi na tayo.
Tawid din tayo. Ay, wala ano po. 60. So, some 4, 5 weeks lang.
Okay.
Hirap magtakbo.
Gusto mong maging balita ka na lang bukas.
Balita bukas.
Wow, nakita ko, di ba ang hangin? Super. Yan po ang Yerevan sa gabi.
Kakagulo yung traffic. Ano mga auntie, mga kuya. Hindi ba kami makakita na nag-u-turn sa gitna ng crossing?
Ayun ang bus nila.
Parang nasa ano ka lang, Manila. Alam mo sa Manila,
Makati.
sa may ano?
Legazpi Village yan. Ganyan ang style here.
Ito yung mga ambiance.
Alam.
Meron. Amoy ko sila.
Namoy mo sila?
Ganda-ganda. Ay, ganda-ganda ng flowers. Nice kayo.
65 lang oh.
Saan?
Ayan. Yung pink ko.
Pink. Oo nga. Ay, hindi talaga
Yung yellow 80. Alam mo na.
Hindi mo naman madala yan.
Mahal kita. Guys, we buy here some stops here in Carrefour. Kami sa Carrefour here.
And 400 from this. No, it's not much, okay? Nura.
Carrefour Express.
Now may taking out today.
Ano na plano mo?
Kami sa Carrefour Express.